Fear and self-doubt can be debilitating and hold us back from reaching our full potential. These negative thoughts can keep us from taking risks, pursuing our dreams, and living a fulfilling life. However, the good news is that we can overcome these fears and harness the power of confidence. By developing a strong sense of self-confidence, we can push past these limiting thoughts and beliefs and unleash our true potential. Confidence is not something that we are born with. It's a skill that can be learned and developed. In this video, we will explore the key steps to building confidence and overcoming fear and self-doubt. Whether you are looking to start a new venture, advance in your career, or simply live a more fulfilling life, these strategies will help you tap into your inner power and achieve your confidence. Understanding fear and self-doubt. Fear and self-doubt can be described as the negative and limiting thoughts and beliefs that prevent us from reaching our full potential and living a confident and fulfilling life. These feelings can stem from various sources, such as past experiences, societal pressures, and self-criticism. To overcome fear and self-doubt, it's important to first understand where these feelings come from and how they affect our thoughts and actions. One of the main sources of fear and self-doubt is past experiences, particularly those that resulted in failure, rejection, or embarrassment. These experiences can shape our belief in ourselves and our abilities, leading us to feel insecure and unsure in similar situations in the future. Moreover, societal pressures and expectations can also contribute to fear and self-doubt, as we may feel the need to meet certain standards or fit into certain mold. Finally, self-criticism, or the habit of speaking negatively to ourselves and focusing on our flaws, can greatly amplify fear and self-doubt. To overcome fear and self-doubt, it's crucial to identify the sources of these feelings and to challenge the limiting beliefs and negative thought patterns that result from them. This requires introspection, self-awareness, and a willingness to change our perspective and habits. By taking these steps, we can begin to break free from the grip of fear and self-doubt and start harnessing the power of confidence. Developing a growth mindset. One of the key steps in overcoming fear and self-doubt is to develop a growth mindset. The growth mindset is the belief that our abilities and characteristics can be developed and improved through hard work, effort, and perseverance. This mindset allows us to embrace challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth, rather than as sources of failure and embarrassment. To cultivate a growth mindset, it's important to focus on the process of personal development rather than the end goal. This means valuing the journey of self-discovery and growth and recognizing that success is not a destination, but a journey. Additionally, it's important to adopt a positive and optimistic attitude, to view setbacks and failures as opportunities for growth, and to surround ourselves with supportive and encouraging people. With a growth mindset, we can overcome fear and self-doubt by seeing challenges as opportunities for growth and by embracing a positive and optimistic outlook on life. This mindset allows us to take bold and confident steps forward and to build resilience and determination in the face of adversity. Practicing self-care and mindfulness. Another important step in overcoming fear and self-doubt is to prioritize self-care and mindfulness. Self-care refers to the various practices and habits that support our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is the practice of bringing our attention to the present moment and cultivating a non-judgmental awareness of our thoughts and feelings. By incorporating self-care and mindfulness into our daily lives, we can reduce stress and anxiety, increase resilience, and cultivate a sense of inner peace and calm. Self-care practices, such as exercise, healthy eating, and sleep, support our physical well-being and increase our energy and vitality. Meanwhile, mindfulness practices, such as meditation and journaling, help us cultivate a more positive and confident mindset and reduce fear and self-doubt. The next step in overcoming fear and self-doubt is to understand the root cause of your fears. This involves identifying what is causing you to feel afraid or doubtful, and then exploring the underlying reasons behind these feelings. This can involve looking at past experiences, exploring limiting beliefs, or examining current stressors and challenges. By understanding the root cause of your fear, you can take steps to address it and overcome it. One of the most effective ways to tackle fear and self-doubt is to take control of your thoughts. Negative thoughts and self-talk can be powerful drivers of fear and doubt, so it is important to be aware of them and work to change them. This can involve practicing positive self-talk, visualization, or mindfulness. You can also use techniques such as cognitive behavioral therapy or exposure therapy to help you overcome specific fears and phobias. Another effective strategy for overcoming fear and self-doubt is to build your confidence. Confidence comes from knowing yourself, your values, and what you stand for. It also involves understanding your strengths and weaknesses and using this knowledge to your advantage. This can involve taking on challenges that push you out of your comfort zone, developing a growth mindset, or learning to embrace failure as a learning opportunity. It is important to cultivate a supportive network of friends, family, and mentors who can help you overcome your fears and build your confidence. This can involve seeking out the guidance and support of a therapist or coach, reaching out to loved ones for support, or connecting with a community of like-minded individuals. With the right support, you can tap into your inner strength and overcome even the most challenging fears and self-doubts. In conclusion, overcoming fear and self-doubt requires a combination of self-awareness, positive self-talk, confidence building, and support from others. By taking these steps, you can harness the power of your mind and unleash your full potential. So, take the first step today and start working towards a life free from fear and self-doubt. You have everything you need to succeed. And with time and perseverance, you will find the confidence and courage to achieve your dreams and live the life you truly desire. Overcoming fear and self-doubt is a journey that requires patience, persistence, and a commitment to personal growth. By harnessing the power of confidence, we can transform our lives and achieve our wildest dreams. Remember, confidence is not something that we are born with. It is something that we cultivate and develop through consistent effort. So, embrace your fears. Take bold steps forward and have faith in yourself. With each victory, no matter how small, your confidence will grow. And your life will become richer and more fulfilling. So, keep pushing forward and don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. The future is yours to create. So go out there and make it a bright one. Thank you for watching, and we hope that this video has inspired you to take action towards building a life filled with confidence and purpose. We will see you in our upcoming video.